Hello everyone, my name is Marcela Erazo. I study licenciatura en Inglés como lengua extranjera in the Nava University. This activity is for the course of Intermediate English 2. This activity needs 2 tasks for talking about past events. Now I am going to talk about a special story of my life. Okay, the special history of my life was when my first son born. Yes, it was the day 2 of month 9 of 2009 of the September. It was the day when my first son born, and his name is Jackson Zambrano. Okay, it's was an unplanned pregnancy. I had a lot of nerves on the day when they confirmed that it was pregnant. I feel very scared, very scared. In this moment, I lived with my boyfriend, but we didn't not have enough financial resource to have a baby. Okay, the months passed, and a little by little, we were buying what was necessary for our baby. It was already in month 8, and I had to go to the hospital more often. That reason because the doctor had to do controls to know more exactly the day of delivery. When the day of delivery came from my town, they sent me of the city Pasto to the Vets Hospital. At the 3 p.m., they took me to an operating room. I said goodbye my mom and my boyfriend. At 5 p.m., my son finally born. I felt very happy and same time I'm nervous to hear his scream. I thought, oh my god, I'm not ready to yet to take care someone who I will depend entirely on me. Yes. The days passed, and my baby was growing healthy, strong. After a time when I turned 7 months, I went to live with my in-laws to another municipality. I'm very happy to be next to the people I love. The mods I feel had finally we had managed to be united my family. It has been 10 years old. My boy has become a respectful boy, kind, boy, loving boy. He is 6th grade in school and has a good pray in his school. I love very much. I am very proud to see. Thank you so much for watching this video.